So here's the last exception that I'll cover, but this one does a nicer job of showing you from the previous one of what code we're kind of pulling out and compartmentalizing. Illegal argument exception. This will indicate that the method has passed an illegal or inappropriate argument to another function. Okay? This is kind of actually a really big deal because I know a lot of you are struggling with functions and what passing. This really helps out. So heads up with that. The setup is the same. Notice this function is throwing an illegal argument exception. Notice that the try is going to try to pass in some value into the intergrade function. Okay? Now, by the way, there is also an input mismatch. Oh yeah, if there's my int, okay, next int, just to make sure that they actually put it in correctly. So notice I got a couple catches going on here at the same time. Okay? Now if I go back to illegal argument, I could replace this entire thing with all of this gunk that's trying to see if they put in a numeric value that's going to return a letter value, just like grades that we get in class. Okay? I could put all that junk inside of these squiggly braces. But instead, I have some universities that do pluses and minuses. Where would I have to go? I'd have to find it all in here and change it. This thing would only get bigger. So this one function, doesn't matter if it's main or not, it's starting to get bigger and bigger. Here I compartmentalized. Here, go, okay, I've got a university that does A minuses, B pluses. So I would go here and fix it up. I wouldn't have to go through all of this and make this even larger. I would go to one spot to help me figure that out. And again, this one function's already doing the work of throwing that argument if something's wrong that's in here. That's a beautiful part of starting to compartmentalize things. And again, having the function throw it because, well, frankly, you just don't know. Where would it throw from? Remember, the function is intergrade. This is the intergrade function. If something goes wrong, that's where it throws the illegal argument exception. Again, food for thought, for organization, and I'm going over what this overall exception can do. 2 for 1 here.